Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com, where you can find out more about the next 8-week online language lessons we'll be offering from April. Yesterday in one of my online classes we ended up discussing haggling. If you're not familiar with the concept of haggling, it's what you do when you go to a market or maybe when you're on holiday and you want to buy some souvenirs. And you go to the market or the shop and you ask the seller, how much do you want for this? And they say, oh, for you, I'll give you a special price, £10. And you say, oh, come on, £10. What do you want from me? Blood. I'll give you £1. The seller then looks offended and says, £1? You insult me. I have a family and 5 children to feed. Come on, let's call it £6. And this goes on for a while, and eventually you make a deal that's agreeable to both of you and you get a decent price. One of my students was saying that she has a deep aversion to haggling. She really hates haggling. She's no good at it. And as a result, when she does go on holiday, she often ends up paying top whack for things. If you pay top whack for something, you pay the maximum price possible. In the same way, you can also talk about cars reaching top whack. So you can say something like, yeah, the car can go from 0 to top whack of 150 miles an hour in just 12 seconds. When you're negotiating, if you work for a company, you might tell the people that you're negotiating with that you're not going to pay top whack, that you refuse to pay top whack, and that you want a better discount. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends or your students, and in the comment section below we'd love to hear examples of times that you've paid top whack or companies you've worked for who paid their workers top whack.